We're on our way back to Barnstable, Cape Cod, after a fairly successful whale watching trip, returning somewhat later than anticipated. Within hindsight, we could have gone whale watching from Provincetown, which subsequently would have given us more time in the town. We'd already seen the Pilgrims Monument actually from the boat, so 2 hours of our journey was actually up to Provincetown and back to Barnstable. Sounds like I'm moaning, but I'm not. It was a great trip nonetheless. The Pilgrim Monument, built between 1907 and 1910, dominates the skyline and provides a great viewpoint. It commemorates the Pilgrims' landing and signing of the Mayflower Compact, which subsequently, of course, led to the founding of the United States of America. Before heading to the beach, as the sunset looks promising, we drive through Provincetown and then look for the beach with a view. We certainly find that parking near the aptly named Mayflower Way. Yes, I used to live near a Mayflower Way years ago. So I nip down to the beach for a few photos, and wow, the light is superb as I snap away shooting a few panoramas in the process. A couple of gulls are fighting over a crab too, making some interesting shots. As the sun sets on an amazing vista, we reflect on what has equally been an amazing time touring around New England. From the incredible scenery, colours, people and food, we've had a fantastic time, no doubt about that. But we could have done with a lot more time to explore, that's for sure. At least 3 weeks, or a month, or more. Anyway, as we head back up to Boston tomorrow, we'll stop for a few hours in Plymouth, because it's here that the Pilgrims eventually landed.